Hey guys, welcome back. Y'all have seen me fish many times, but I get a lot of comments, why don't I ever keep them? Well, I prefer to let professional fishermen clean my fish and professional cooks cook my fish, but I do know how, and people have been razzing me a little bit that I didn't know how, so today I'm going to show you. I can zoom you in here. I had a pretty good day, caught several crappie. This is one of the better ones. What we're going to do is we're going to make a fillet out of him. So first thing I do, and I went and picked up a knife. I like this. This is a Rapala. It's a little called a 4-inch, and it's really handy for small fish like this. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut him down the edge of his backbone. So his backbone runs right down the center. I'm going to do this side first, flip him over, and I'll do the other side. So I'm just going to put my knife in and work my way down his dorsal fin, feeling for his rib cage. See, right there's his rib cage. I can feel the tip of it, and I'm just going to work around that rib cage until I can get my knife all the way through, like that. You can see it comes out here on the bottom, and I'm going to work it down, but I'm not going to cut all the way through. I'm just going to go right down to a line about right there, pushing down on his backbone as I go. Oh, so I went all the way through. That's not a big deal. And then I'm just going to work along his rib cage till I'm to about where there's no more meat, right in this area. And then I'm going to cut him out like this and work down that rib cage. See, that rib cage is going to go, it's going to go about right down like this, where I started. See where I started here? So I'll just work that down around his rib cage down to here. Okay. And then I can flip this over. I want to not get any of that rib cage in there. Those are the little bones that you can choke on. So there. Now, see, it's a lot easier if you leave I missed some meat there too because I was trying to hurry. But then I'll take my knife and I just go to the edge, to the skin right there, and work it in. And saw it along, pressing down. See how my finger's pushing down on my knife? To get that as thin as I can. See what I got right there? This is what we're going to throw away, and that's our fillet. So we're going to get that, do it all the way out the bottom, and then you got a nice fillet just like that. All right, throw that in our tub of salt water. We'll flip him over, do the other side, and that's it. I will show you what I meant to do on the other side and why it's easier. Again, I'm just sawing down his backbone, filling that rib cage up in there. Okay, right there's where I want to stop. I want to flop that over, and then I can hold the fish back here, and I can see how much easier this is. There it is, just like that. And then that's it. Scrap all this, hold my newspaper up, throw it in my bag, clean up my mess. And that's it. I do know how to clean fish. I used to do it all the time when I was a lot younger, but not so much anymore. So if you liked the video, please subscribe. As always, we thank you all for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.